What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we're back playing this game. I forgot about this game when I was playing at 8 p.m. again, but now I'm back. It feels so good to be back. The truckers headquarters. Well, I gotta show you guys a new update. They got a Kenworth T with Kenworth W900. Then we got a T680. I'm gonna go with the newer one. We got a flat top. I don't know how to pronounce that word. A 72-inch sleeper and a 86-inch sleeper. Oh, studio. 86 studio sleeper. I'm gonna go with a flat top. And it looks pretty nice from the outside. But I really just want to open the engine though. But the only thing we can just do is just open the doors. I can't hear it. I gotta just... There we go. Ooh. Yeah, just gonna put it like this. So let's just get in. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, I can't hear nothing. You might be... Yeah, I'm gonna put it too, because I can't hear nothing. I cannot hear nothing. The reason why I go without a trailer because I need this truck with me. I want to show you guys when we get there. But this truck is actually kind of nice. It's their first country truck. Look, you see how like that one? That was beautiful. He's living a life in that truck. Matter of fact, get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Thank you. Let's get the A. Well, I'm gonna take out this off, take out that off, and then we're gonna look like the normal truck that you guys be seeing on the road so many times. So I feel like some of you guys seen this truck on the road a few times, a little bit, from like convoys. Yeah, you guys been seeing these trucks for convoys. Try to make their truck extra custom. So yeah. So we're gonna go down here and go to the paint and ride. Ooh, Kenworth W900. No, I know how to do it. Don't worry, I'm a quick driver, okay? I drove trucks before. Not in real life. But I know how to drive in game. I can drive automatics in game, but manuals are IRL. Because with automatic, I just be speeding. I be just gone and crash. But with manuals, I can put that thing in first gear and just go slow. So that's why I prefer manual in real life and automatic in games. Alright, I'll show you guys. So we got the fuel protector, just gone. And we got the slide fares. Put that one. And then we got the bumper. My favorite part. Not this, but this. It was mad beautiful too. Oh yeah, forgot about this. No, we're gonna take off that. Exhaust. Done. Mirrors. And my favorite, and not my other two, but my two other favorites, the sun visor. Wait, this show was jumping. Wait, let me get on. Now, I can't really see. Well, I know it's there. It says Kenworth. Gonna leave it like that. Now time for the rims. Black or normal. I might put them on black, maybe for the. Wait, yeah, I kind of like it like that. That was it. I feel like we're done. We're done already. And now we're going to go over here. I'm just showing you the updates of this truck. We got a day cab, a flat top, and some of these too. The one that we had earlier, the top. Oh, red. Oh yeah, right. Oh, I'm taking red. Take me in there. We'll get red. Red is my favorite color. Now it's clean. I'm gonna go on the road without a trailer. I know how to drive. Alright. Gotta wait another 50 seconds. Oh. Does this truck look cool to you? Alright, out here. And go see what the other truck's doing down there. By the trucker's headquarters. In the front, it looks cool. The sides look cool. Kind of like this, I with that pillar. That box. This makes it a little ugly now. But I still like it though. Corn. It feels like ATS, American Truck Simulator. But I'll leave the OB and Kamado. See, look at that one. Oh yeah, I forgot about the little mirrors. So you guys see the little mirrors on there? Yeah, we're good back here. Well, if you guys have fun time with this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And wait, oh, I didn't know they're having a truck show back here. Oh my God, they look like Mexican trucks. Whoa, I gotta check them out. Uh-oh. Hey, yeah, you should not go anywhere. Move the truck real quick. Just look at these. Nah, they look good together. Black and yellow. Man, they're both sleep. Okay, I gotta stop messing with them. But it look cool. I might do an edit after this. But if you guys have fun time on this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.